Hello, I'm Michelle and welcome to SatTV Week. It's been an interesting week for the satellite and space sector with several significant announcements. SES has named their new Chief Financial Officer. Teledyne E2V continues to develop high-specification CCD image sensors, and Optus brings its digital thumbprint program to Wide Bay in Australia. You can find further information on these announcements by visiting the Satellite Evolution Group website. But first, in space news, the Airbus-manufactured Exo Mars Rover Rosalind Franklin has been shipped from Airbus to its prime contractor, Thales Alenia Space in Cannes, ready for the next phase of its journey to Mars. The European Space Agency Exo Mars programme will see the rover launched in the summer of 2020, with a landing mission planned for February 2021. ESA's Solar Orbiter mission lifted off from Cape Canaveral on 10th of February on its mission to study the Sun. Solar Orbiter, an ESA-led mission with strong NASA participation, will provide the first views of the Sun's uncharted polar regions, giving unprecedented insight into how our parent star works. It will also investigate how intense radiation and energetic particles from the Sun and carried by the solar wind impact our home planet, to better understand and predict periods of stormy space weather. Solar storms have the potential to knock out power grids, disrupt air traffic and telecommunications, and endanger spacewalking astronauts. In North American news, Comtech EF Data has been selected by Bansat to supply satellite communications ground equipment to support the Aero-Civil backup communications network for 28 airports in Colombia. Aero-Civil is a government entity responsible for developing and operating a system of air traffic control and navigation throughout the country. It strives to ensure the orderly development of civil aviation in Colombia, the aviation industry, and the safe use of its airspace. In other news, high-performance internet connectivity was restored in the Democratic Republic of Congo in just 4 days, following the disconnection of a West African undersea cable, thanks to the combined efforts of Gilat Telecom and SES. The recent cable cut affected much of sub-Saharan Africa, causing internet outages and slow speeds. The swift restoration of service was achieved by leveraging high-throughput, low-latency O3b medium Earth orbit satellite capabilities. And finally, Viasat and FuboTV, a sports and news-focused live TV streaming service, have announced a video distribution and technology partnership that advances how content can be delivered and consumed in flight. The partnership is the first to leverage innovative standards from the Streaming Video Alliance and apply them to in-flight connectivity. These standards enable airlines that sign up for the Viasat FuboTV partnership to seamlessly make FuboTV's live streaming, over-the-top and video-on-demand sports, entertainment and news programming available to all passengers at no charge on US flights equipped with Viasat satellite internet. That's all for this week. Remember, you can follow the latest industry news and views by visiting satellite-evolution.com. Until next week, thanks for joining us.